Well, not quite yet for this evening, but at least as we head into tomorrow, we're going to start seeing the drop in temperature as there will be some rain heading in onto the high felt as well as some cloud cover. Let's start off with our satellite imagery and take a look at what happened yesterday afternoon. It was stormy in the northeastern corner. It was a little bit cooler for parts of Limpopo than initially expected, including around Polokwane because of those storms. And those thunder showers died down overnight, but it stayed very hot for many areas, especially in the north of the country into this morning. At the same time, a cold front has moved in over the western parts that has brought some rain to the Western Cape, and that's helped the firefighters battling the blaze in the Hermanus area. We're going to see some of that rain spreading towards the garden route over the next couple of hours as well, and still a few drops closer to the western coastline. But then for this afternoon, it starts drying up over those parts, while thunder showers will start popping up over the eastern interior of the country already for this afternoon, including around Gauteng, and we could even see a few thunderstorms into the Free State. And before we take a look at the rainfall map, here's your alerts for today, and there are three of them. Of course, the advisory for the heat wave, which continues today and this afternoon across the central parts, as well as some areas in KwaZulu-Natal. And in addition to that, there is once again a warning of high fire danger conditions throughout the central interior of the country. And finally, a watch as well for the possibility of strong to severe thunderstorms developing over northern KwaZulu-Natal. In terms of rainfall, just some early rain closer to the west coast. As we've seen, that area will be clearing, while there is a 60% chance of rain for the garden route, on and off rain possible in the area for today, and as well as for the adjacent interior. Heading into the Eastern Cape, showers and thunderstorms similar for KZN, scattered for this province, especially into tonight, and isolated thunderstorms for Gauteng, the northwest, as well as some areas in the Free State. So fingers crossed that you get some of that rain that will help to cool things down. Winds for this afternoon, gusty over the southern interior of the country, and while winds are fairly light for Port Elizabeth for the meantime, fresh to strong winds return to the area later on. And here's a quick check of your maximum temperatures. We see the effects of the cold front in the south, but the heat wave continuing throughout the central and eastern parts of the country. Bombela and Mahikeng at 38 degrees, while some places in the Kruger National Park will be reaching the mid-40s for today. And then for tomorrow, we see the cooling trend that takes place over the eastern parts. The heat wave comes to an end. Johannesburg, 28 degrees as a maximum, along with showers and thunderstorms. Cloudy and much cooler weather for KwaZulu-Natal, along with wet weather.